Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by measuring ingredients precisely. 2 tablespoons cocoa, 1 tablespoon fresh cherry puree, and 1 tablespoon plain yogurt. Why these amounts? Cocoa provides antioxidants, cherries supply natural AHA and vitamin C, and yogurt soothes with lactic acid. Once you combine them, stir until even, aiming for a spreadable paste 1/2 to 1 centimeter thick. That consistency helps absorption. Make sure to avoid metal if cherries are acidic, and use a glass or ceramic bowl to keep the mixture stable. You apply the pack in smooth strokes, starting from the center of your face and moving outward. This spreads active ingredients uniformly. Once applied, set a timer for 10 to 12 minutes. This window balances exfoliation from cherry acids with cocoa's hydration. Make sure to keep your head upright and avoid rubbing. A subtle tingle is normal, but sharpened burning means remove early. If you feel excessive heat, rinse immediately with cool water to protect skin barrier integrity and avoid further irritation. You finish by rinsing with lukewarm water using gentle circular motions. This removes residue without stripping oils. Once dry, pat, not rub your skin and follow with a lightweight moisturizer to restore barrier function. If it's daytime, make sure to apply SPF afterward because cherry acids increase sun sensitivity. If you notice redness or prolonged stinging, rinse again, apply a cool compress, and stop use. For troubleshooting, perform a patch test later on a small area to determine tolerance before repeating the full treatment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.